Hello, we're back for the low second finger. We're at 60 now. I did all the introductions, all the note names in the previous exercise, but I'm sure I'll repeat some of it anyway. But anyway, so to remind you, stay relaxed, keep your shoulders down, keep your thumbs relaxed, right thumb round, all those things. Bow straight, sound beautiful. Now I'm going to add something new, because otherwise all these exercises do is just add more speed. I'm going to slur, except for the beginning when there's rests between every single note. I'm going to slur everything by 2 notes. Now we've not done slurs between fingers yet, so this is something new. Now you don't have to do it, but the concept is exactly what we did before when we did slurring of open strings. It's 2 notes in one bow, so it's going to be and then so make a mark in the middle of your bow if you need to, and change fingers halfway. Yeah, it's that simple. Either place a finger in the beginning. It will feel awkward, I know that, but that's why I introduced it now. It's a simple, repetitive exercise. So I thought you might as well learn something new. So adding slurs for every 2 notes. Okay? Good luck. So C, D, and E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, second E flat. Moving on to G string, G, A, and B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slur. A string, A, B, and C natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. C natural. And that's it. Okay, I know I forgot to slur in the last exercise on the A string a few of the notes, but all the notes were there. And so we keep going forward. Next repeat, I'll do another slurring exercise when we go at 80 beats. Okay, see you there. Bye.